The Sāmoan phrase of the day is O te fiafia ile blank, or I like the blank. I like the refrigerator. O te fiafia ile pusaisa. And it's literally saying I like to the refrigerator, but it translates to I like the refrigerator. Or I like the color. O te fiafia ile langu, po o ke fiafia ile langu, meaning I like the color. So that's how you say I like the something. Now, if you like to do something like I like to play the ukulele, you can say o te fiafia e tā le ukulele, po o ke fiafia e kā le ukulele. So that's how you say I like to, like a verb. So that's the Sāmoan phrase of the day.